Loban in the rain in August. Nick, do you have any thoughts on that?
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Oh, beautiful, dude, beautiful.
Fucking ear dipping, bro.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What happened, bro? I saw you roof off the rock and then I just saw your boat go vertical.
Fuck. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna give you a rope, okay?
Nailed it. Quick thinking on that, dude. Thank you.
Swift water. Good, good, good. Go. You're good.
A three-car collision happened this afternoon.
Gotcha. Way to hang in there, though. I definitely hit you in the rib. It was pretty bad. And then, like, you melted into the hole and, like, basically disappeared. And then I just speared you so hard. And then I was in the hole and I got hit by somebody else.
Sorry about that.
No, you're... Don't worry about it. Oh, not again! Not again!
3, 2, 1.
What?
Fight.
What? Oh, he's in the hole! He's in the hole! Oh, no!